Hello everyone, it's Kenneth, and today we're going to be doing an experiment with cornstarch, and we're going to be basically talking about the states of matter. So what do you need? You need 1 cup of cornstarch, so I need to put this in here. Then we have a bowl, about half a cup of water, got that right there. We have a spoon, and we need a pie plate. So, my sister, she will be helping us today. Can you go get a pie plate? And also, food coloring. So, let's get this started. Step 1, we gotta put this into the 1 cup. Okay, now, once we have the 1 cup, you need to pour it into a large bowl. So, pour it in. Okay. Next, we will stir while we add water slowly. Don't add all of it if you don't need to. You just need a consistency of thick pancake batter. Okay. Let's see. Got this. Pretty hard. Can you get the phone so they can see what's going on? Okay. So now, what we need to do, add a few drops of food coloring. Boop, 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 boop. Now, we need to stick our hands in it and see what it feels like. Okay. Oh. Here, show them. Ooh. It feels like slime. It's like really gooey. It's like kind of a solid, but it feels like a liquid at the same time. Okay, so now what happens when I try to roll it into a ball? Let's see. I mean, it kind of works, but then it just breaks back into smaller pieces. Hold up. Kind of got it into a ball. Let's see. Pour the water into a pie plate. Smack it with your hands. Record what happens. Where's the pie plate? Alright, since we don't have a pie plate, we will be using another bowl. So it says that basically we need to pour water into the bowl. Water is a liquid. Smack it with your hand and see what happens. Okay. So we're gonna pour water in here. Smack it with our hands. Okay, this water is obviously gonna get onto my hand. It's a liquid, as you can see. Next, what thing we need to do? Empty it. Okay, let's empty this. Okay. Then we need to pour this into the bowl and smack it with our hands. It'll come out. Stuck. Here, add a little bit more water. Gotta stir it up. I'm gonna show them what it looks like. Once you have it stirred up, you're gonna pour it into the bowl. Okay. Now we're gonna smack it. Oh, nothing happens. It's a liquid, but it's solid at the same time. Here, show them. As you can see, when I hit it, it doesn't it doesn't stay attached to my hand like the water does. It just sticks together to the bowl. It just feels like slime and goo. Okay. So, what happens? Basically, when we talk about the states of matter, we usually talk about the three types, which are solid, liquid, and gas. Solid is like a rock, liquid is like water, gas is like air, like the air that we breathe. So a mixture of cornstarch and water make what is known as suspension. When you squeeze a cornstarch suspension, it really feels like a solid because its molecules line up. It looks like a liquid and acts like a solid. It looks like a liquid and it acts like a liquid when no one is pressing on it because the molecules relax. This is another state of matter called a suspension. It can act like a liquid or, when pressed, like a solid. That's why this looks like a liquid and kind of feels like a solid when you touch it. So that is the end of the cornstarch experiment. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will be back soon with another experiment.